Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a Canva Pro Team invite link. First, open the Canva website and sign into your account. If you want to join someone else's team, the person who owns the team needs to send you an invitation. Ask that person to go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on their profile picture. A menu will appear. From there, click on the Settings option. Inside the Settings page, look for the People section. In this section, click on Invite People to continue. After that, enter the email address of the person you want to invite into the provided field. Make sure that the team owner has an active Canva Team subscription, because this feature is not available on the basic Canva plan. Only Canva Teams users can invite other people to join their team. Once the invitation has been sent, you will receive an email from Canva. Open the email and follow the instructions to accept the invite and join the team. After joining, you will be able to use the pro features that are included with that team. Thanks for watching.